My name is Gabin.
Yes.
I come from a university in Switzerland called EPFL, and I've just finished my bachelor degree. So I'm entering in master next year, and I'm here in an exchange program in DeKUT. My specialization is mechanical engineering, so I've done a bachelor degree in this field, and I will do my master degree in mechanical too. I have chosen DeKUT because first I wanted to have an interesting experience in a different country. So I live in France and I wanted to explore. So I was looking for a country such like Kenya. So and furthermore, I've looked for the ranking and the reputation of the university. I've seen that DeKUT was well ranked in a very good, well placed in Kenya, with a lot of interesting things to do around and with a good level, educating level. So I thought it was a very good idea to go there. So we've worked a lot about two different projects. The first one was solar dryer. So there is one here. This one is very interesting because it's just used solar energy, which is very interesting in terms of global warming and carbon consumptions. So it just works like the solar panels heat air, and it's allow so to reach a very high temperature in the. Something very interesting I've seen was so we've make a liner so to allow people to cook in. So you have to conserve the heat. So first we've designed one, then we've made the mold, and then we had to go to a factory, which I was here, so I went to the factory. I see the whole process. So we gave the molds, then they first make the first prototypes, and then they started to make it in a very high scale. So they make a lot of it, and it was our product, our design. So that was very interesting. Once I felt more comfortable and I've met my new friends, I started to move around. For instance, I went to Mombasa, I went to Mount Kenya, the biggest mountain in Kenya. So yeah, and I went to Amboseli, I went to national parks. I have the opportunity to see a lot of animals, and that was very exciting. I've enjoyed that a lot. Yeah, everything was fine. We had a very good organizer, like the international office worked hard for us, so there were no problem for that. In my office, people were very nice and kind to me. They were my age, so like it was good to work with them because we were close. It was not a very big, a very large age gap, so it was fine. I really enjoyed the stay at DeKUT. I have nothing to complain. DeKUT is very enjoyable because they have very good infrastructure. You feel very safe in. There is a very good security, so I feel safe, and this I like a lot. And people are very nice. They are always kind and polite, which I appreciate it a lot. And everything is very clean. There is good buildings, a lot of infrastructure for engineers like me. You can take interest even in some different lab. People will explain to you even if you don't know them. If you just show some interest, they will explain to you, and that's a very good point. DeKUT is a very good university. You will enjoy your internship there. There is a lot of things to do. People are nice, so yeah, I really recommend it. For me, it has been a very good experience. I've met a lot of people which are different than me, either like Kenyan people or people who came from different country for internship like me. So it was very enjoyable. I've met good friends in every category. So yeah, I recommend it. For me, it has been a very good experience. I like chapati a lot. I like the cabbage. I know a lot of people don't like it, but me, I like it. I didn't like ugali that much, but yeah, I liked chapati. Chapati I eat every day. Yeah, the food in Kenya was very good. Actually, the meat was the thing who most surprised me, because in France we are not used to eat the meat like this. Like we don't eat every part of the meat, and here I have to try like goat head. So like they make a soup with the head of the goat, so you can try, and yeah, it was very interesting to discover this food. I've also tried crocodiles in Nairobi. There is